Surya Namaskar is a set of 12 asanas. Surya Namaskar is a great cardiovascular workout and it has an immensely positive impact on the body and mind. Surya Namaskar is a sequence of 12 asanas originated in the Hatha Yoga tradition. Prayer pose or Namaskar Sthiti. Breathe out, join both the palms in between chest and abdomen, expand your chest, legs should be straight, ensure that your elbows are open without touching stomach. Urdhva Namanasana or Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in and raise your hands over the head. Both arms should be close to your ears. Stretch the whole body up and back without bending in the knees and back. Hasta Padasana or standing forward bend. Breathe out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. Bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet after complete exhale. Knees should be straight as far as possible. Beginners can bend the knees, then make a gentle effort to straighten the knees. Ekapada Prasaranasana, equestrian pose. Breathe in, carry your right leg backward as far as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor. There should be 90-degree angle between left knee and left foot. Keep your both palms each side of left feet perpendicular to the ground. Look straight forward. Dvipada Prasaranasana, Dandasana or stick pose. Breathe out, take the left leg back. Bring the whole body in a straight line with an angle of 45 degrees from heel to head. Keep your arms perpendicular to the floor. Ashtanga Namaskara. Breathe in, bend your knees down to the floor. Slide forward, take the hips back. Rest your chest and forehead on the floor. Only 2 toes, 2 knees, 2 palms, chest and forehead. 8 parts of the body should touch the floor. Bhujangasana, Cobra pose or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in and slide forward and raise the chest up into the Cobra pose. Elbow can be bent or straight. Look up and back as far as possible. Tuck the toes under and make gentle effort to push the navel down. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Breathe out. Lift the hips and join both feet with straight legs. Try to keep your heels on the ground. Look towards your navel position. Stretch your arms straight. Ekapada Prasaranasana, equestrian pose. Breathe in, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 palms. There should be 90-degree angle between right knee and right foot. Keep your both palms each side of right foot perpendicular to the ground. Look straight forward. Hasta Padasana. Breathe out, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 palms. Knees should be straight as far as possible. You can touch the forehead to the legs. Urdhva Namanasana or Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in and raise your hands over the head. Biceps of both the arms should be close to your ears. Stretch the whole body up and back without bending in the knees and back. Prayer pose, Namaskar Sthiti. Breathe out, join both the palms in between chest and abdomen. Expand your chest, legs should be straight. Ensure that your elbows are open without touching stomach. Tadasana Sthiti. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Complete the round by repeating the steps. This time, start with taking the left foot behind in step 4 and bringing the left foot forward in step number 9. It is called as one round of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is highly beneficial for cardiovascular fitness of every individual. Surya Namaskar stimulates the nervous system. It also helps for stretching, flexing and toning the muscles. It is a weight loss management exercise. Immune system will be boosted by Surya Namaskar. Cognitive functions will be enhanced by regular practice of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar improves overall health, strengthens the body and relaxes the mind. For those trying to keep up their fitness routine during this COVID-19 lockdown, it could probably be the best time to practice yoga and master Surya Namaskar. Thank you.